how to remove account on Messenger. Here everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to do so from Messenger step by step. So let's just get started without any delay. So Messenger accounts are linked to Facebook, so you can only remove Messenger if your Facebook account is deactivated or removed from the account center. So first of all, open up Facebook and deactivate your account. So go ahead and open up the Facebook application, look out for the menu and tap on it. And then once we tap on menu, select settings and privacy and select the settings option. Once we select it, we can just go over and open the option of account center. So go ahead and tap on it and look out for the option called personal details. After that, we can just go over and tap on account ownership and control and select the option of deactivation or deletion. And then we can follow the process. Select up your Facebook account and deactivate your account. Tap on deactivate and continue. And then confirm of the process. So tap on continue once again. After that, you just need to enter up your password in order to deactivate your account. Once your Facebook account has been deactivated, you can just go over and close up your Facebook application and head over and open up the Messenger application instead and tap on your profile picture. So go ahead and find the section. You can also log out and look out for the three dot in the top. Tap on it, and once it is selected, you can select this option called remove profiles from this device. And there, just go over and select the account that you would like to remove. Tap on remove and just go over and confirm it up. When you do, your account should be removed, and that is how you do it. So that is it, everybody. These are probably the method you can follow up if you want to remove the Messenger account from application. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.